You're creating with Google Docs, but tracking with Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new Google Doc is created, a tracking row will automatically be added to your Google Sheets. Or keep your project documentation organized by logging every Google Doc update to your master spreadsheet. Or even turn your Google Docs into actionable data by creating summary entries in Google Sheets. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Google Docs and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.